Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and legal ownership. Do not improvise. Once done, confirm the site model fits the Glock 23 dovetail or OEM footprint and inspect the kit for correct parts. Make sure you have a certified gunsmith lined up or accredited armorer assistance. This avoids improper fit, damage, or safety hazards. You'll also want a secure, unloaded firearm in a locked workspace, documentation for your purchase, and a plan to test function at a range after any installation is completed by a pro. You hand the weapon to a qualified gunsmith who follows the site maker's instructions precisely. They will use purpose-built tools to remove the factory sights, install the night sights to specified torque or retention settings, and verify alignment without risking slide damage. Once installed, the gunsmith will perform a function check and advise on border-sight alignment and recommended proofing at a range. Make sure to get a written receipt and ask about warranty and future service before leaving the firearm. You finish by conducting an acceptance check under supervised range conditions. Do this with the installer or trained observer. Once done, verify point of impact and sight retention. If alignment or function is off, make sure to return the firearm to the installer rather than attempting home fixes that could damage the slide or void warranty. If you encounter persistent issues, document them, retain all paperwork, and consult the site manufacturer or a certified armorer for corrective service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.